Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
Push the stars. Push the stars. Know every move, skin on the skin. No separation, need no competition. Nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic going several to a high, nah, nah. Right, wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking you too long. Right before I decide to go. And like you hurt me, only slap it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me, push the stars. And like you hurt me.
Bravo. Yeah, go.
So I'm going to come with you. I'm going to back again with another video. Guys, Patty, okay, gas season, past totally packing. Messes up. What's in mama? What's in the month? Got the phone now, paying and we are going to shy. So I go. Also shy. So
Ngiyabonakala ukuthi nigeza ngezinto eziyangazi. Angigezi kuphela.
ngiyabona sangezi nge-sunlight.
Angigezi nge-sunlight, ngigeza ngebisi.
No, geza kuyasiza guys, niyazwa? Bazonisiza. Bayibizani in
kwa tlhaloganyo e ta ya squeeze ya freeze ya gore ke ta ke angwe ke wait sorry ke
like pretty privileged, like hey man guys, they look so cute.
Only serve it up if you deserve me, yeah.
So
pull up
back.
and hurt me, push the stars. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation.
Is this one way?
Yeah, looks like it. So today we went to Mall, Alex Mall. And here's a Mall of Africa. She's like important. We went to Alex Mall to get shoes. Bang, I got too long. That's my gift. Oh, I'm saying gift. Just know you can still get me a gift, okay? And then we went to Greenstone. We went to Greenstone Mall. Bring your total outfit for in Hazel. Yeah, outfit 4. Ipatika Hazel, that's on the top. And then after oh, ngazama ngesenisi for indlu yami, period charm.
Okay, period chow.
And
Go
then
back.
for what?
Okay, fine.
And then yeah, sharp. Then after, what did I do? Oh yeah, I got an outfit. Oh, I also got an outfit for outfit. A gift for Untombi because we are shutting so 6 is December, which is on Saturday, and I'm so excited for that. Yeah, and then says I love my mic he's often and stuff like that. And it's too long. Anyways, we go home now.
Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now come give me life and I'll change your heart. Hold me signs, I'll say glory on the.
Oh, my mirror is so dirty. But anyways, we're back home. This is the outfit of the day, OOTD. Everyone's in Lalin and curtain is I think donating not the gross man, what am I saying? Furniture. I think donated, but anyways, OOTD. Dress from Shein, sandals from Shein, watch from DW as a gift, and my phone case from me. Oh, wait, I just get it out again. Anyways, outfit of the day, get into the back. Don't tell me I was walking around like this the whole day. Okay. Woo. So, firstly, this is from Mr. Price. This is from Mr. Price. I got this because when it's stacked necklace, so like it's synthesized. Period. It was. Let me check for you. 1 second. Hey man. Layered flower. Is this? Oh, 60 rand. It was 60 rand. Like in them kuba check I'm a price ne. So bang bigger. Please do not judge it, okay? And then I got these blue jeans that were like 330. See? Can you see that? They're so cute. I like them. So I fit them and you see bang up. Then we got, oh my word, so that's very my name, because I know they couldn't find the code, the barcode basis come in, so Ababi Salam. Okay, let's check from here. It was 350. Nice. If I mention, oh, shower, because like I was so lucky to even get this. I got the size layer now, but I like it. Like, look at that. It's like I like it. Shopaholic.com. I like this. Thinking of my size, like I'm a size, I understand. Can't you know why anytime you say I'm a size, because what's small, the extra small shares I get. Like I really don't get it. Every time I go shopping, I can't find my own sizes because you guys are buying bigger, smaller sizes. Like why are you doing that? I didn't know by run and full size. Anyways, then also from Mr. Price, I got this tank top. I got it in extra small. Because I should really ask the born and now yabona nawe ngani ukuthi ayiphela nawe ini yabona ke manje bangizamanga phela yabo manje kwamele ngifake. It's either I got a small, it's either I had to get a small and extra small, and I don't know, an extra small just makes sense to me. And this was 80 rand for a tank top is insane. Because why am I spending this thing 80 rand for something that doesn't even cover my whole body, but shopaholic.com and stuff like that. From at home, this plastic is from at home. I didn't get a plastic from Mr. Price. Why am I getting a plastic? I got 2 of these. Because guys, in Indian, like, who does that? Like, in the lazy pair. Only the bathroom, no, the bathroom doesn't even have curtain rails, so I'm not putting them on, but I like it like that. The bedroom has, and then Lana sitting room, there's nothing. Which the house is always bright, but like who sleeps in the house in a curtain is, you know? So I got this color. It's either I got white or I got this. I just wanted a color that is not white. I didn't want white. So I wanted to get a color that is not white, but that would also make my space bright. So I got this one, because this is light. Also, what's this? Extra length, and then it's the measurements are the width is 265 centimeters and the length is 250 centimeters. I got 2 of these, and I'm gonna put them in my house. Yeah, like this is because I'm gonna lose. Like besides microwave, toaster, I don't have anything. So I think I'm gonna do an apartment series where I purchase things and I show you guys what I've updated in this house, because I'm planning for a lot. For example, I just want to start on my ceiling. Hence I haven't done anything yet, and then after ceilings maybe focus on wallpapers. So I just want to start with the, can I call it exterior, but with the, I don't want good thing. You imagine this, it doesn't and then afterwards self-funding ceiling, and then imagine making into, and so no. So in the ceiling, here's my wallpaper, and then everything else like your TV stand, your couches, and everything else will come in place. Maybe even change up the kitchen, I don't know. But an apartment series will actually work out. So stay in tune for that. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be giving you updates on my house. I don't know why I'm saying apartment series because he in Julena, but it's like a bachelor house. Let's just call it an apartment because it's not that huge. Period, child. It's starting to rain, but I just wanted to see how this outfit would look. I think Nkule is born. I think Nkule is born because what do you mean? I don't look at actually getting. I just needed. Oh, then again, I got saved job. Oh, I love these jeans, child. I love these jeans. And for me to, like, I went and looked for jeans like this because I saw the denim jacket and I was like, oh, I need that. Because I saw an outfit like that on Shein and I was like, I want to wear something like that. But also, I don't want to shop on Shein yet, like, because I'm going to, like, yo, guys, you know when I shop on Shein, I'm buying power because I buy a lot of things. So buying one outfit, yeah, it doesn't even make sense to me. So I was there, adding things to my cart and things like that, and I was like, maybe it's not even gonna arrive in time because Shein was shining. And remember, a lot of people are ordering at the at this time of the year. People are like, Manja, why it tilts? Now why I like using my ring light. Anyways, people are always ordering around these times. So hi Jaya, how are you? Okay. So yeah, I go. Okay, here we go. I'm wearing tights underneath me. I'm born but when it's only the length. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna try hiding the tights a bit. I should not gain weight, but I like how they fit. Look at that. Okay, that's how Levis to make me. They are brand ambassador because I look like a lady's girly. I look like I'm wearing Levis jeans and stuff like that. Actually, Mr. Paris, not me, I'm entitled, do you imagine? But I'd be honored to be a Mr. Price model because I feel like I have it in me to be a model. I'm just shy. And like also, and also I'm always shopping there. Like I shop at Fushimi, I shop at Cotton On, I shop at Factory, I shop everywhere like that. But with Mr. Price, I'm always gonna be there. Like all the time, but look at how these jeans fit. Woo! Cha! If I haven't said so already, the theme is blue and white, denim and white. So I like this. Also, it's not the typical denim, like Lena, skinny jean, denim. So this, I was like, I can't get over the feeling because I look like a Levi's model. But then we go and so the necklaces are gonna stack up here, and also ooh, like look at that. I didn't want that. Look at that. I just want to add the jacket in. Well, you guys, you can't dispute this because what do you mean? Also, this hairstyle is going to be gone by 13. Never, you can't tell me anything. 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 Oh, I look so put together. Like, do you understand when someone says they like? It's like I put in effort, but also there's no effort. But like also, Sister, if I'm gonna be able to dance on the day, am I gonna be able to dance on the day? Asish.
Bang 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 bang. 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 Bang 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 bang.
Yeah, man, feet, eh? No. I think I'll decide on the day. But I think in case of Farah, it all no, I don't even have an all-star child. It's either your Air Force a white, the white Air Force, the white and black Air Force, or your Farah ETN. I'm not forgetting to go to a party. Yeah, no. But I might. But I'm thinking about it. But I'm not sure. So it's either I'm gonna wear the black TN because obviously this outfit is dark, or I'm just gonna wear black and white shoes, which is the Air Force, the black and white Air Force. Let me try something. You already knew I was gonna do this, girl. You already knew I was gonna do this, girl. Like, let's see. Okay. You already knew I was gonna do this. Like, you can't trick me. You can't fool me. Okay. Come see my new shoes. I love these shoes. You can't tell me nothing. Can you see them? What brand is it? Nike. Nike. Huh? No, child. This is not Crocs. This is Nike. This is Nike. Look at the whole outfit, okay? Don't mind my hair. But this is gorgeous. You get what I'm saying? But like, I'm not sure about the shoes though. Yeah, no, the shoes need to go. I'm not sure about these. I need to wear Takis. So I'm gonna... Yeah, so I'm gonna decide on the week what type of shoes I wear. But this girl is also a... But I'm not sure about the shoes. Like, it's not my vibe. So it's not the type of vibe. Huh? The white Air Forces, ne? You guys, my younger brother has spoken. We are gonna do white Air Forces. I'm gonna wear this to Hazel's party. Yeah. The white forces. So now I'm not gonna decide what shoe I'm gonna wear anymore because my brother has decided. Good evening, just but this outfit eats how. Like, look at how those jeans hit. Look at that. Look at that. Mine are the shoes, obviously. And yeah. Period. So you guys, I'm gonna keep updates. I will talk about marketing this because I'm marketing this are wrong, but that's okay. Because I go wrong either way. I still have to change the railing. But when I do change the railing, I'm gonna buy the correct curtain. Come on, Jay. Either way, I'll do that. I'm just so lazy and I need to find those things. They're somewhere around the house and I need to do that. But yeah, I just showed you guys outfit Yami 812. I can't wait to show you guys outfit Yami 6. Stay tuned. I don't know if you can see that I look at my problems, but anyways, it is currently 10 to 2 a.m. I am supposed to be sleeping. Why am I not sleeping? Because we're eating tennis and also I delayed washing the dishes, but that's not the point. Get defeated, like and I was trying to fix it. Now I have to buy a new curtain railing, which that was the initial plan, yes, but I needed a backup, like standby for now. Do you get what I'm saying? And now I have to buy a new one. Like, that defeats the whole purpose of having a standby. But I think it can hold on for now. I think so, because I just gave up on fixing it and stuff like that. But I hope it holds on. I'll see it being shame as I really don't have the energy right now. And I just figured out I really don't have the energy right now. So I just wanted to film an unboxing for TikTok of the shoe that I got today. Also, I have so much content to post and upload and edit, everything in Jenna for YouTube, mainly YouTube. My mainstream is YouTube, so yeah. TikTok, I just put highlights there. I love TikTok, but I just put highlights. Yeah, guys, I'm just defeated. I'm so defeated. I'm so defeated. You okay? Anyways, good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm gonna be going to PTA tomorrow around 12. So I'm supposed to be sleeping. So if I sleep now, I might wake up at 10 a.m. or something like that. I'm gonna try to wake up earlier. But hopefully I just wake up, get ready and stuff like that. And I think the video that I filmed today, I have to refilm because the angle was not right. Firstly, secondly, I was just yapping a whole bunch of nothings. And thirdly, I don't know. I really don't know. Hey, I don't know. Anyways, as I was busy, I found this. It's my digital camera. I'm gonna charge it. I realized that it uses the old flipping chargers. I'm so sorry for my language. It uses the old chargers, and I don't have this charger. Who still has this charger at this day and age? I'll ask somewhere around the house. Maybe they have it. Probably have it. I should have it actually because I have headphones. Where's my headphone charger? Okay. Oh guys, I found it. But the problem is Igima. And now who's gonna... I think I just need to get a whole charger. Because I cannot I cannot. I'll just check inside. Does someone have these chargers and charger and see if it's working, and I'll come update you guys afterwards. So anyways, have a great rest. I'll see you when I wake up. Bye.
When we loaded, hold me, love me, you hurt me. Only slap it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stone. You hurt me. Only slap it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and hurt me. Push the stone. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. No, pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. No, give me life, I'll take yours. Move me inside, I stay loaded on the high, ready loaded.
Sanman Ninjan, right uphill. Also right uphill. We're pub. Anyways, I'm here to crash out, okay? It's a long boy. There was no electricity. Let me tell you, boy, I'm not guess like it. It's a long boy to no electricity. Guys, I genuinely hate crashing out. But clearly, you guys want to see me crash out. You guys want to see me lose my mind. I'm starting to use a line because what do you mean? Anyways, on Sunday we went to but on Sunday we went to PTA. So we went to PTA and Beas hostile like that house, girl, that house is tea. The food, she's a good cook. She clocked it. So yeah, we spent like half the day there, and then ngabuya ke bembuya. Anyways, guys, I really don't want to crash out, but inking I am going to get tested. I can get tested. So how? What do you mean? Alright, right. Ushuktin, uzamungenzani, umzondelani. Yo. So ngine crisis lana. Ngomcimbi wami ngabulisana ngobuhlali bami. Right, and manje izinto zami ziyashoda. And I really don't like that because I'm a good person, and now you're gonna make me a horrible person because I think ngifuna ukubolekisana ngezinto zami. Uzothi ubuhle ngombolekelesi ngithi no. I'm not doing that. Also, what's going on with the weather? Like, what is good? Like, what's along? Like, I didn't sign up for Cape Town weather, okay? I live in Joburg, bro.
Wait, a refets and cowering now. Like, when I pull it, I recam quaina like usual. I recam conang like usually. Haire says it habisang yona like usually. Cause why? It be a pele. And everyone says it a couple of times in multiple occasions. Horiona. It will pele it pele pele. Like any bashlet affiliate.
Anyways, I hate this weather. I hate this weather because why was she as una? Like, why are you always like futa oni ubu normal we are healer? Tell me why as I was coming back home yesterday, the whole shade, the whole parking shade or whatever that thing is called, tell me you're joking. I would crash out as an owner. I would crash out, but I'm sure he has insurance or she. Period, girl. But like, what is, like, genuinely, what is going on? Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. Tomorrow we're doing our nails because my nail broke. Can you see that? The ghetto. And please look at this. Does this look like a lady's nail to you? This one, the middle one. Does it look like a lady's nail? Like, should a lady's nail look like that? Actually, the nails themselves, they shouldn't look like that, my babe. Because what do you mean? Oh, your nails are chipped. Like, this is unladylike. It's not ladylike at all. My lashes are. When I see you, my hair. Guys, my hair. I need to do my hair, my lashes, my brows, my nails. Hair, lashes, brows, nails. Yeah, everything. But like for now, tomorrow we're doing my nails. And then I guess I'm gonna take these lashes out and then maybe on Friday get your hands up because on Thursday I'm busy. Maybe on Friday but I get some pindegi, faggy my lash, my extensions, and then I'll take you guys with me for everything. Oh, I can't wait for Saturday. I'm going to be pretty chill, but I know it's gonna rain. Like this weather is cause I'm shaky weather. I'm shaky weather. There's a good name. First day, this is Kazakh guess. What do you mean? What do you mean? And we're gonna guess like no network. If I say to me, yeah. Okay, guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is all you have. Bye. I love you. amazing. I'm not crashing out today. Anyways, I woke up with electricity. I think I came back last night. I don't know. I was sleeping. But my mom bought a magrinya. You know what? Where is this kaftin? Imagine having this kaftin when you are going to do maintenance. I know I said I want to do my nails today, but I'm also going to do my lashes and my brows. And then my hair, I think I'm going to undo it tomorrow. I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm going to do freehand. Angizange suspicious in activity mina. Anyways, so it's any freehand. If not, my hair is too short, I could just install my hair like that. Yeah. And then after next week my braids. Maybe brown. I don't know. Maybe next week. Otherwise, we're flying a friend and it's a long install my weave. I just also need to get his into the installer. And then, yeah, and then I'm sorted and I'm good. I hope you guys are doing okay. Period. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm in the car now. I'm a queen. Guys, period. I love a queen. Like, bless this woman for getting a queen. I love a queen.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need to drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly. Fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. Bet you won't see stars. Bet you won't elevate. Bet you won't need God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to put something up. Fuck up the night. What's in these four walls? Sexy, my love. Don't miss this roll call. Is you here on board? Show up, show up, show up, show up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. You Mr. Nasty. I clean it up. Go where nobody's been. Go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? We gon' fuck up the night. Black lights, spaceships fly. Fuck up the night. Fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. Bet you won't see stars. Bet you won't elevate. Bet you won't need God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Sexy product on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them hydraulics while I ride it. Got me acting hella dotty. So excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Tease it, no self-control. I got time today. Got time today. I got time. Oh, I got time today. I can't wait to come out and play. Oh, yeah, you. Come and cup it, baby. While I bust it for you, baby.
Hi guys. I just finished doing my nails. I'm done with my nails. Got I did that good deal. My mama look keeping the bazan the paya. Oh, to me now. Hey, umuntu osegabhoni. Hey, what's parts. Mina khathi ngisegabhoni ngithola umuntu because I said ngoshada kina 2027. No mama lona. Mana mama zipam. No, I need to phone. Should I try by
For real.
Angazi.
Like
Mama,
uyahlanya shem.
Uyang-expose ebantwini. And at the time angijoli.
Uyajola. Uyajola.
Laba bahlezi bangibhekile kanti inkinga yakho.
Oh,
Bahlezi babulisa wena nje. Mina bangibheki because abakwazi ukungibulisa.
le motara yazi mos.
Kodwa mina bangibonini.
Oh.
Or mhlambe amehlo wabo aya basasanka.
Sure basasanka.
Uthi babona.
Akulisa. Sebabheke phansi abona.
I'm so confused. No.
Hey, baby, anywhere, anytime, I don't mind, yeah. For you, I'm back in the trap all the time. For you, chicken fucked up, for you, I put my cup up, for you, yeah. We gon' fuck up the night, take flight, splendid flight.
Last longer.
Wanted to, these expensive, these is red bottles, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable.
Period. Guys, Maud got this dress for my mom in Gabon. So when you see her outside with this dress, just know it's Wahole. Asiamo. Lang tanhain.
Ke orkante.
Ke dilo tsa French.
Ke orkante.
Tanhain.
Oh, look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move.
Now, and Sasha knows I'm going to sang outfit of the day. Anyway, starting off with the jewelry necklace from Love by Christ. Watch was a gift, DW. This bodysuit was from Mr. Price. I got it years back. The skirt is from Shein. This bag was a gift, but I also think it's from Mr. Price. And just 1 second. The shoes Shein. So outfit of the day. I also want to mention that I've been girly lately, and listen, I'm here for it. I've been looking like a girl. Like, I feel like I'm so uncomfortable in those tomboy clothes, which were my go-to comfort clothes, and now I'm just so uncomfortable. Now I just want to dress like a lady, like, period. Anyways, I love it. I think I should get more skirts, more dresses, and nice tops. I think that is the style I'm falling into lately, and I'm actually really obsessed. So, debrief about today. So today we went to get my lashes done and my brows done, period. And she did the spike, so I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you can see. So she did the spikes. I never really tell my lash tag what I want to do with my lashes. I just go small, cool, sharp, and then she does whatever. So whatever set you see me with, like, listen, I don't know nothing about it. I don't even know what it's called. I don't ask questions. I just like do whatever, and then I'm just like, cool, thank you, this is beautiful, thank you, sharp. Like, if she wants to experiment, my darling. As long as I look good, I'm cool with it. This watch I've been wearing like crazy, bruh. I still wear my Lovisa watch. Like, I love it to death. Like, I had to buy it twice. When I will show you one day I will show you that I have two of those watches. One is still fresh and the other one is a little bit old, so yeah, still but I will have a collection of watches. I really love watches. I'm a watch girly to This and I have a lot of these cross necklaces, but this is different because this has a crown. Right. Cool. So I did my lashes and my brows. My mom also did her lashes and her brows, and we were kind of late for the next appointment, which was the nail appointment. We made it either way, and we got everything done. You guys saw the nail sets. Like, I'm totally obsessed. Then we went and got food. The food was delicious. I already ate. Ciao. The food was amazing, okay? And then we came back home. Now I'm in my house. You can see my curtain. Can you see my curtain? Ciao. As I said, like, just let me know if you want apartment updates or whatever. This is a house, so no, we'll call it Winter's house updates. Let me know. I feel like that's boring, but like we'll find a topic and then stick to that, and then we'll do that. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy your day. Oh, the skirts I paid for on Monday, it gets red. So I'm guessing this of you guys either tomorrow or Friday. And on Saturday we have to be at Tembisa. But I'm gonna be a little bit late. Like just a tad bit late because I but yeah, I'm gonna be a tad bit late. Oh my gosh, I hate speaking. I hate talking to the camera, but like I have to learn because you guys literally DM me and tell me like, listen, girl, you need to speak. Because I enjoy, like, I love it when you guys come to me and tell me that you enjoy hearing me speak, because now I don't like my voice, and editing these videos is very hard for me because I don't like my voice. That's why I never speak or anything in my videos. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna do a get to know me video because I'm over 2,000 followers, period. You guys love me. You guys love me. You know, and I love you. So because I have 2,000 followers and I'm guessing people don't actually know me. Do you know me? No, you don't. You know that in you don't be and then happy don't be. That's it. That's all you know, because that's the content I post. And people, like most people, just don't want that content. Bafuna nyenza makeup tutorials. Bafuna nyenza I'm dressing up videos and stuff like that. And me, get up. But I'm gonna get over that. Now's the time I get over that. Like, I'm gonna share my life with you guys because it is interesting. It is interesting. My personality is interesting as well. I just don't go around showing it. So on Saturday, suppose that it's not Domi. Like, if we ain't Domi and you not want Domi on Saturday, no, my babe. Some shot dancing. When you go, why popo?
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
Okay, I'm joking. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and then yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with an update. Yes, scared. My hair, I need to undo my hair, so we might do that together as well. I have to, child. I have to look like a bad magic. I want to know you. I'm not compromise. Yeah, so we'll do my hair. I'm not sure if things will wash it, and then after go to the salon we'll clean a straight bag. I think that's more convenient actually. Not a straight bag, man. Free hand, yes, free hand. Baby's on my wig line. Don't let. But anyways, I need to do that, and then maybe go to the store like Nyangas and I will get store and separate. So maybe you'll get store, and then after the 25th or after 20 lab, you can start listening, and I might just do my nails all over again. I don't know. But my nails are always done. Like, I'm just a nail girly. Like, my nails need to be done unless I'm on a nail break. But my nails need to be done. up. My lashes need to be done unless I'm on a break. My brows need to be done. But also, if I'm on a break from my lashes, I'm on a break from my brows as well. Anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. And I'm gonna go sleep. Actually, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I need to sleep now. Bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Sanibonani. Ninjani. Guys, like, I've been so busy. I know you can see that my house looks a bit. I'm there too. But I'm trying to so clean. I cleaned. The last time I cleaned was on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The Thursday, I'm planning. But I'm always so busy. Like, I can't just cut it. Like, when we are in a discuss with him. Where's the man and cut like, send cut element. I wonder why I'm feeling continually. I wonder just why I'm feeling continually. Like, you know, like, we are first, no, before cleaner. Ukwamele udecide ukuthi ufuna ukuchina ini, ukhetha style. Like umsebenzi lento kunzima ukhetha istyle ufuna ukusenza because sometimes ubona izinto eziningi and you can't decide, especially as an indecisive person. Like kunzima bandla, kunzima ekhetha nyamhle kanjani bandla, inkosi yami ngizongixolela. Anyways, ubheka hairstyle bese ufike esalon yahlala ama-hour best uyayenza hairstyle yakho ke uphuma umuhle ke manje ilapho isikhathi sama-video, isikhathi sama-TikTok, isikhathi sharp. Hairstyle yakho yahlala after isikhashana iyaluma, so uzizwa ula and then ngiqala ukuguga. Yabona yami yayibonakala ukuthi igugile because ngiyakwazi ukuyinakekela, but igugile uyabona nje ukuthi amaline awasabonakali kahle, but uyabona nje ukuthi nje isitshaye lana akusanalutho bandla, akusanabantu. And I really don't like having an old hairstyle. If namazipho like begugile shintsha. That's why ngiprefera ukugunda iy'nwele ngoba ukugunda iy'nwele akuna stress, akaze ka-stress umuntu emhlabeni la ngasha guys. So if umangele ngishile ngishise istove bengiphapha nje ukuthi benginayitela nestove ngoba ngipheki nkosi yami shem. Anyways, like guys, man, ukhona umuntu ofuna ungichacha, like ukhona nje umuntu ofuna ukungichacha. I'm really not in the mood to see how my hair looks right now. Bese bengiqeda ukuchacha, I need to get a salon. Like kwamele ngiwasha, okay, kwamele mina iy'nwele zami ngiyaziwasha because angizani nala matawulo awasebenzisayo. Usula ikhanda lami ngetawulo esuke abantu ba-100 ungakaliwashi wo. So ngizoziyenza, ngizoziwasha iy'nwele zami bese ngifuna ukuchina. But I think, as I said, ngiyochina i-freehand ama-wig lines and then ngidlale ngoku-installer. From there I think ngaboyi 20 something ngiyochina. Why? Because ngitsafa ukuchina January kugcwele abantwana abaningi abachinayo, back to school, wara nkosi yami bandla shem anamazipho u-EMT. So yabo nje yabo yay, yabona guys nje into ngiyaphisayo. So I'm gonna clean my house, do some washing and whatnot, and then after ngizobuya mhlawumbe ngiqhaqha, but ake ngiqaqele endlini because or ngiqaqaqane angazi. But I really also want to wash off my makeup. Kodwa ngizowasha ngiceda ukuchacha, otherwise ngizovele ngilale. Ngisachacha ngivele ngiyongena engubeni ngilale, ngisachacha ngeke ngisaclean into engivele kodwa I think ngisendlini. So I think ngizocleana kusasa, but ngizocleana namhlanje, but ngizoyenza like not deep cleaning like I did on Sunday. Ngicleana nje kahle. Hey bandla, i-makeup look ngizoyenza i-tutorial bese ngizombonisa le nyene futhi ngizogcwala Saturday nina. I just need to get izinto zoku-installer and then ngizonikhomba yona, then mhlawumbe if ngesikhathi so-installer sonke. But if we don't have time, like there's nothing I can do if asinasikhathi. But if Sinasaskati, best believe we're installing together. And we're installing together. Guy. Then you be busy. Yo, sing you busy, guys. So I'm going, and you can see what's it. Is it hambing? I'm going to hambing. So I haven't seen my hair, like guys, I haven't seen my hair like this in a very long while. It's actually so insane because and it's insane because I can't deal with it. Okay, cool. Anyways, I put out the house. I didn't like clean but in putting and a shiny so that's good. And then after I remember I only had this side and that side and this side and the bedroom. Now I did a long up. They're a bit long, so I think maybe I need to take measurements when I change the rails. I need to make sure when I get curtains that don't touch the floor because I'm filling my kitchen up on the pants. And then I suppose since I'm fish my railing and the ceiling. Anyways, guys, I have so much plans for this house. Like, I have so much plans. I'm always on Pinterest looking for specific, like, I don't look for, like, ideas. I look for specific things so I can send to the man that's doing things, personalizing my things for me. Personalizing, like, oh, he's doing it from the stretch. Encourage from the stretch. He's sitting from the stretch. Kitchen from the stretch. Bangers. That's why I'm coming. Vandermeer. Zokshay. Yeah, anyways, this is my hair. I'm going to so I'm going to a bonnet. And I say kitchen, so I don't want to, because I don't wash my hair. So I think I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow. Actually, I'm not. I think I have to wash my hair tomorrow. And then mhlambe ngizoya esalini kusasa ngiyoyenza ngibonga izinzana mhlambe ngicina ngewuli. And then tomorrow also I need to prep my wig. My mom is already washing my wig and that's why I wash all my mom. I'm not supposing me. That's why I wash all my mom and that's because you move my wig. Again with illness I'm a nurse and you mean shame. I'm lazy and I got some lazy like if you feel like that's it we have but anyways, good night y'all. I'll see you guys when tomorrow. Hey guys, so today I woke up really late. Okay, I'm weak boy, like I'm so weak, my body is painful. What you want to understand? Not let her she's a bang who see about I'm big dog. No, I'm but I'm up. Anyways, guys, yeah, Parisha, I'm as being fit all of this and yeah, faint and lana, Nizotin, Benga delineated pants, Nizotin, because I'm. But, anyways, guys, so. I can't even breathe, bruh. I haven't thinking wash my hair. Hence I'm wearing a duke. Do I want to wear a duke? No. Do I want to wear the dress? No, she's but it was the closest thing. Yeah, so if I go to the shops now, I might just pass by like the salon that's close by those shops up there. But uni complex, yeah, whatever the thing is. I might just pause by there, ask how much it is to wash my hair and to clean it with lines because you're looking okay, you're washing in really. Yeah, but that's another thing. Like if we look better, this is me right now. I haven't like if you're washing your man, I'm going his head dry. So I'm going to pin and shiny the food and I got shiny. And guys, my nails are cute actually, man. I still need to prep the wig, guys. I still need to wash the shoes. Gosh, I would 3 months. I'm gonna wash them because obviously I guess 3 weeks. But if I was wearing them tomorrow, like it was chai for me, definitely chai for me. So I'm gonna put on my earrings, my watch, necklace, and if I know it's gonna be cute because I don't feel cute. And then I'll show you my scents of the day. So my watch, I'm gonna do this Lovisa watch. I have 2 of these. This one's the old one. I have to go back to Lovisa and say, hey bro, like I need this watch as soon as possible. Like I was wearing it and I was like, I need it, but we need land because I was like, I need a new one, you know, and I have it, I just don't know where it is, like and I don't know where most of my things are because I wasn't living alone. But anyways, I'll find it, and when I find it, I'll show you guys. So that's on. You know, these earrings, OG, I'm always wearing these earrings, right? I don't know, man, they make my face look nice, but I have so many earrings. Sasa, I can't wear these earrings. Definitely I can't. I go Nangatuli. Okay, hold on. So here, one. I don't know, man. I feel like in Shalili snacks and I'll fix it just now. 2. Usually when I wear this watch, I like wearing this other thingy in the camera. It will be, and guys, I'll find it. When today I was, but I want it today. Hi again. I was told I'm not needed to go to the shops anymore, but I'm so exhausted to wash my hair. So I'm gonna go to the salon still and wash my hair. So I'm gonna go. So what did birds? What is this? Wings. I'm saying wings because I don't know where the rest of the body is. It's so, my dog, the kitten, is just insane. It's so insane. Like I hate seeing dead bodies. Hey bo, dead bodies ganja much. I hate seeing dead birds. Anyways, I'm working now. Guys, I'm so lazy. It's either I just do my hair myself or I just pay to get my hair done. And I just think it's more convenient to pay to get my hair done. That's the dead bird I was talking about before I left. Anyways, here's my hair. I did go in and go out again. These are small things that could make you crash out, because tell me why I left. Automatic, I come back again manual. I check if there's electricity. Yes, there's electricity. So inking it will be, I don't know. My hairstyle was 150. She washed my hair proper today, but I still feel like I could do a better job. Here it is. Oh, but they clean hair because I was doubting them a little. Ooh, tenderism. Hello. Hello. Hi. My dog just likes sitting there by the window and just relaxing and watching me. I got there, asked how much my hair was. They said 200 rand, but there was only one lady. And I want you to hear me out. My lips are jammed. There was only one lady there. Okay. And she said 200 rand for this, to wash my hair and do this. And in my mind, I'm like, 200 rand for 300. No, what's watching you? Hey, so I got to go to the Anyways, I'm like, okay, let me blum a bit because let me blum a bit, and then after wait to see if she comes. If she doesn't come, the other lady. If the other lady doesn't come, then I'm just gonna leave. And I'm gonna wash my hair myself. Anyways, she ends up coming, like, I think 5 minutes afterwards. I didn't sit for that long. She comes and she asks me, what do you want to do? I tell her I want to wash my hair and clean her free hand. And then she goes, 150. Thank God. I'm saving myself 50 rand because the other lady said 200 rand. I was like, okay, cool. Sure, I did it. And this is how we look. Very beautiful, very gorgeous, I love this hairstyle so much. Like, I would go for this hairstyle any day, child. Like, any day. My baby's back from service. I think I'm most excited about is the boom. You guys are joking. Oh my word. I missed you guys. I missed this car so much. You're gonna tell me nothing. I love this car so much. This is the love of my life. Do you get what I'm saying? You're joking. This is what I missed the most. This is what I'm doing. Nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Nah, I forgot. TF. ... I'm out this bitch.
They told me to be
If I see you on speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss.